64. A point P is given to us whose coordinates are -4 and 6, and it is dividing line segment AB whose coordinates are -6 and 10 as well as -3 and 3 and -8, and we are supposed to find in which ratio the point P is dividing the line segment AB. For this, we'll very first suppose let point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio m:n. There are two ways with the help of m:n also, and you can consider it as k:1 also. We'll be doing these one by one. So very first with the help of m:n. Now by using section formula, we can find the value of m and n. According to section formula, what is the section formula? That we know x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, here x is -4, m is, we are supposed to find, x2 means 3 in this case, n we are supposed to find, keep it as like this only, and x1 is -6 divided by m plus n. Now simplify this, we'll be getting -4 into m plus n into is equal to 3 times of m minus 6 times of n. So this implies -4m minus 4n is equal to 3m minus 6n. Now separate out m and n. Separate out m and n. What will you get? -7m. This 3 will come here, m will come here, and it will go this side. So
and
-6 plus 4 is equal to -2n. And from here we can conclude minus cancels with minus, 7m is equal to 2n. m upon n is equal to, m upon n is equal to 2 by 7. As we are supposed to find the ratio m is to n, so that ratio would be 2:7. The ratio would be 2:7. This is your answer. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am, clear.
Okay. Let's try it with the help of k:1. Same situation, we'll be doing it with the help of k:1. Let us consider it is dividing it in the ratio k:1. So we'll be finding the value of k only. And one more thing is to be noted, we have just found it with the help of x coordinates, or you can find it with the help of y coordinates also. You'll be getting the same value. So there is no need of doing it again and again. So you have to just find with the help of any of the one. It could be y also, or it could be x also, if you are supposed to find the value of m and n, or we can say if you are supposed to find the ratio. Next is the coordinates. Given coordinates are -4, 6, and it was -6, 10, it was 3 and -8. Procedure will remain same, but we have to consider here k:1. So how we can find, what is the section formula according to this? m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2. And here in this case, m1 is working as k and M2 is working as
1.
So now we have to put these values only. Here x is equal to -4, M1 is equal to k, x2 is equal to 3, M2 1, x1 -6. Divide by k plus 1. Now solve it. -4k -4 is equal to, we are just solving this, 3k
3k plus 6.
-6. 3k -6. -6 and +6 it was minus, na? It would be minus only. Hanji. Now again transpose -4k -3k is equal to -6 plus 4. This is equal to -7k is equal to -2. If you are going to observe, same kind of things are there. K is equal to 2 by 7. Is it so? K is equal to K is equal to 2 by 7. But the ratio is K is to 1. So how we can find? It means the ratio is 2 upon 7 by 1. So we cannot write the ratio in fraction. What we need to? We have to multiply this by 7 as well as this by 7. So we'll be getting 2 is to 7 as we have got in the previous slide. 2 by 7, 2 is to 7. The ratio is 2 is to 7 only. Any of the method, if you want to adopt, you may adopt. Is it clear? Let's go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's go to the next. Next is example number 8. What is the situation? Find the coordinate of the points of trisection of the line segment AB. Trisection of AB, and the coordinates for point A is 2 and -2, and for B is -7 and 4. What is the meaning of trisection?
Ma'am, it means
Three
line is divided into
Three
3 equal parts.
Very good. 3 equal parts. Very good. 3 sections. It means we have to divide this line segment into 3 equal parts. So it means we want 2 points. We want 2 points. Let us consider P and Q. So we have to find the coordinates of these points. Let us consider it would be XY, and let us consider it would be MN to not you will take. We can take PS. Any other you can take if you want to take any of the variable PS. So how we can find the ratio? Ratio is not given to us. How we can conclude the ratio? If I have to find the coordinates of point P, so in which ratio is it dividing line segment AB?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, please, bacha.
Ma'am, we can
Ma'am,
divide by 2 and 1 ratio or 1 and 2 ratio.
Okay, now just only one. Tell me about P. P is dividing AB in which ratio?
ma'am, 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 is to 2. Why? How? Because it is at the 1 distance from here and 2 from here. And if we are talking about Q, then what ratio we have to consider?
2 and 1.
2
ratio.
2 is to 1. So you have to consider these. I hope you can find it.
Yes, ma'am.
Side by
Yes,
side,
ma'am.
find. I'm also finding, you also try.
Ma'am,
Fast, everyone. 1 is to 2, x is equal
excuse
to.
me, ma'am.
Hanji, my bacha, yes.
Ma'am, can you one time repeat from where this 1 ratio 2 and 2 ratio 1 came?
Yes, absolutely, beta. Till then, rest of the students can try to solve it. See, beta, it is given to us that AB are the points, its coordinates are also given, and we have to trisect it. Trisect means 3 equal parts. It means we want 2 points which will divide it into 3 equal parts. these are three equal parts. Let us consider this is point P and this is point Q. Now we are supposed to find the ratio, because for finding the coordinate of any point which is dividing a line segment, we want ratio. So in which ratio is this P dividing AB? So how
And
much is
ratio
this
2.
part and how much is this part?
Ma'am, 1:2.
1:2. The ratio is, how to speak it as? We have to speak it as the ratio is 1:2. And if we are talking about point Q, then what would be the ratio? In which ratio this Q is dividing AB?
Ma'am,
2 is
2
to
1.
That's why we have come to conclusion at 2:1 and 1:2. Now everybody try to find the coordinates for these. Try it, everyone.